In this quick tip, we're going to learn about the right-click contextual menu. When you right-click on an element, you're going to get a bunch of options, some of which you may have seen in the property editor, and others that you can only find here. Normally, when you copy and paste an element, it's only going to copy over the element. If you view the workflow that was associated to this button, on the copy, that workflow won't be there, but on the original it will. So what you can do instead is you can right-click and say copy with workflows, and then paste it with workflows, and the workflow will have copied over. Another thing we can specially copy over is the style. By copying the style of one element, we can then paste the style onto another like element. Here we'll copy the style of one button and paste it onto another. We can even copy any conditional formatting that something has. For example, this button has when the current user is logged in, and we can paste that conditional formatting onto this other button that did not have that conditional. Our right-click menu even houses other things that we've seen all around Bubble, from positioning elements to revealing them in the elements tree, even starting a workflow. Familiarizing yourself with this menu can speed up your work tremendously. That's it for this quick tip. For more, be sure to check out bubble.io/academy.